President Uhuru Kenyatta auma mwena wa Kitui kuria arekereire irio cia andu ona mahiu ikinyire ariothe mahutitio ni ng'aragu thiini wa county iyo.
Mifugo yetu yaweze kupata chakula, tuweze kushangilia wananchi.
Ona marori mamae mauma muthabara-ini uyu thirikari ikigeria gutigirira andu matinahotwo ni nyota
ambao tunazidi kuona katika nchi yetu.
Niguo guthaitira aria mahutitio ni ng'aragu, thirikari ni yugite ati mitaratara ya uthii wa na mbere ni ikunyihanyihio niguo kugacirithia uheani wa irio mahinda ta maya.
Na mimi nahimizia serikali ya county pia na ma MCA hata hawa pia waketi waangalie kama ni soko walikuwa wanajenga na mambo mengine, hizo wanaweza wasimamishe kwanza wapelekee wananchi chakula na maji. Hiyo ndio muhimu.
Na kwa mwena wa Isiolo, minista wa uthathauri wa mahinya Mwangi Kĩũnjũri ni oretie aikari a mwena ucio metikire kwendia mahiũ mao kuri thirikari niguo gutigirira matinorĩra rĩrĩ kuri na ng'aragu.
Tutachinja ng'ombe 100 hapa. Ng'ombe 100. Na hiyo ng'ombe 100 ikishinjwa, tunataka ng'ombe 40 ikuruwe hapa, watu wakule hapa.
Kĩũnjũri no augite ati thirikari iri na irio cia kuigana cia guteithĩrĩria aria mahutitio ni ng'aragu nginyagia mweri wa Gatandatũ mwaka uyu.
Last week the record showed that we have 21 million bags of maize in the country. And already 1.3 million was with the National Cereals and Produce Board.
Na kwa mwena wa Garissa, thirikari ya county iyo iri na mitaratara ya kwambia gukinyiria aikari ya mwena ucio uteithio wa irio muno makiria mwena uria mugumire ni ng'aragu.
As a county, we have sat down, we have discussed ways of mitigating the circumstances. We have started water tracking. We are also planning to sending out some food to our people in the different parts of the county.
Nadhif augite thirikari yake yongereire mitaratara ya gukinyiria muingi uteithio nginyagia hindi iria ng'aragu irithira.
It's very, very important that at this early stage the national government, which has the largest share of the money or the budget meant for this kind of circumstances, to come forward and to start really being seen on the ground. This is not something that only a county can do.
Na kwa mwena wa West Pokot, aikari aria mabetie kugenerwo ni ng'aragu ni mabetie gukinyirio uteithio. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria uteithio ucio mwena ucio niwe Simon Kachapin augite thirikari yake ni yabetie mibango ya gutigirira andu ni mareigira mithithu.
Wacha wananchi wapate vyakula waritiki.
County 11 nicio cihutitio ni ng'aragu na njira nene. Muigana wa aria marabatara uteithio wa naihenya wahota gukorwo ukiongerereka wona mbura ya kimera yaga kura na ihenya. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Rose Wangui.